welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be boxing this DIY Raspberry Pi kit. So based by the title, you can tell this is for the new SC Prime token. So there are devices out there. If you look at the screen now, you'll see they cost about $1,000 and change up into $4,000, depending on what size terabyte storage you're looking to get. So basically this project is pretty cool because it's like a cloud service in crypto where you can use your storage, your internet, your stability to keep people's data safe and accessible, and they pay you out in this SC Prime token. So when I first did the project, like last month, I was like, yep, I'll buy a device. But of course it was sold out. I was on a waiting list, trying to see when I'll be able to get it. And then last week, I saw a video on how to build your own kit using a Raspberry Pi and using external drives, etc. Installing Ubuntu and getting up and running. So I said, listen, I'm techie, I could do it. The video started off by saying if you are technical, you could do this. If you're not, just wait and buy the device. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys and take it from there. As you can see, it's a Canakit to make our own credit-sized computer, Raspberry Pi. All right. I went out to MicroCenter and got it for that price. If you check Amazon or the other sites, they're probably a little bit more expensive, and they don't get to you until probably the end of the month by the time you see this recording. So I was able to quickly check out MicroCenter yesterday, reserve this, pick it up today, and before I dive in, I want to unbox it. So let's start it off. All right. So we got a nice little can of thank you here. Okay. Awesome. Read me first. Make sure you connect the micro USB cables, HDMI, etc., etc. Do not insert the SD card on the board. Okay, all right. Definitely keep that in mind. Okay, awesome. A little breakdown of the Raspberry Pi kit here. Quick reference. Pretty cool. All right. Of course, we have the HDMI cables. Have you guys seen that before? Sorry, paper tissue there. Micro to HDMI. Got helicopters flying over. You guys hear in the background. Sorry for that. We got the on and off power switch here. Pretty cool. 64 gig micro USB. I might be looking to purchase a 256 based on the project specs. I think at least 100 gigs of OS space, but that was for Windows, I believe. Nonetheless, I'll still get a higher card. Got the Raspberry Pi right here. Put it aside for now. Open that up shortly. Wow, I didn't know how small this really was. I really thought it was the size of this box. This is awesome. Look at that. This is the case for the Raspberry Pi. Of course, we have the power here, and like I showed you guys, the switch for that power. So that's pretty cool. Oh, we got the fan. All right, make that happen. Keep it nice and cool in there. Okay, look at that. We have the card reader. Huh. All right, pretty cool. Not to be used on the PC. All right. And of course, we have the quick start guide. Wow, Raspberry Pi. I heard of this years ago when I first saw a person build a Netflix and chill button using a Raspberry Pi. It was pretty cool. And I wanted to do that too as well, and I did end up building it. I was very successful buying the parts and did it, but back then I wasn't doing YouTube videos, so I'm wondering where that is now. I was probably at my mom's house still, but pretty intriguing. Yeah, I want to open this up, so let's do that now. If you guys haven't seen a Raspberry Pi box before, 4 gigs of RAM, that is the minimum specs you need. You can get an 8 gig one, of course, but I went with the 4 gigs, so let's see. Yeah, well, my hands are a bit ashy. Sorry about that as well. All right. Look at that bad boy. Pretty cool. Never seen one up close. There goes some instructions in here as well. I'll get back to that later as well. Pretty awesome. Let's check out this case, shall we? Wow, this case is nice and tiny. Pretty cool, little Raspberry Pi on it. Ports for all the things to plug into your HDMI, of course USBs and power and network. So yeah, definitely gonna assemble all this together and put out another video on me configuring it, installing Ubuntu, getting it ready, plug in external drive, and getting it online. And then we also discuss any profits I make as it goes by. As I understand that this will go live next week, I believe, or even this week. But yeah, we'll get it set up. I'm gonna buy the micro SD card tomorrow with the additional external hard drive. Get it all plugged up, get it online, get it validated, and go from there. So thank you guys for checking out this video. I'll leave a link to the description below of where you can purchase this. Not affiliate link. It's from MicroCenter, so if you want to Google it right now you can, but I'll leave a link so you guys can see it. And thanks for checking out my video.